we use the battery as in the alternative to electricity. Electricity in potato is generated by the chemical reactions through the electrolytes and electrodes. Means we have to use here the electrodes and electrolytes. With the help of electroid and electrodes, we generate the electricity. That aim is done, all of you.
Yes,
No,
This
sir.
aim
sir,
is
we
done.
do not have written this.
No,
We
sir.
have written different aim.
बेटा एम तो यही है पोटैटो बैटरी एक्सपेरिमेंट तो स्टार्ट राइटिंग दिस थिंग्स
Okay,
Okay, sir.
बेटा यही मैंने लिखवाया था
no, sir.
नो सर, ये आपने नहीं लिखवाया था।
ओके चलो सो ओके 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 मींस दैट इज अ डेफिनेशन वी हैव डन मैंने
Yes.
डेफिनेशंस लिखवाए थे वो
Yes,
तो
yes.
डेफिनेशन यस बेटा वो तो डेफिनेशंस थी ये एक्सपेरिमेंट
Yes,
नंबर
yes,
वन है
sir.
स्टार्ट
आपने लिखा
राइटिंग
है।
बेटा ऑल ऑफ यू
सर,
स्टार्ट
ये
राइटिंग ऑल
फेसबुक में
यस
सर फेसबुक
डोंट
में
स्पीक
लिखने का
टुगेदर ऑल
कौन सी फेवरेट
स्टार्ट
लिखना है?
राइटिंग ऑल
सर फेसबुक में लिखने का है।
सर,
सर, कौन
सर
सी
फेसबुक
फेवरेट
में
यस बेटा
लिखने का है।
फेसबुक में व्हाट व्हाई यू आर आस्किंग सर किस में लिखना है Who is asking me this question? Before starting the lecture, I was told you have to write in your fair book, science lab fair book. So why you are asking me again and again? Experiment number one, this aim and its aim is potato battery experiment. Normally we use the battery as an the alternative to electricity. Electricity in the potato is generated by the chemical reaction through the electrolytes and the electrodes. Okay, start writing all my dear students. And if you haven't done this aim, so tell me we will going to be move on further. Do fast all. Chalo, do it fast. You all are writing now, all my dear girls.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Do it
sir.
fast all.
Sir.
Do it fast.
सर डन।
Done.
सर
Sir,
डन।
Chalo.
my work is done.
Very good. Chalo. Done. Now you understood. Means we have to generate the electricity from the potato. We generate the electricity from where we generate the electricity from potato. Okay, chalo. So now we will going to be move on further.
नो
The starchy potatoes. Note down this also sentence and you have to draw the figure. What you have to draw, all my dear girls? You have to draw the figure. The starchy juice inside the potatoes are what make the potatoes battery. The starchy juice inside the potatoes are what makes the potatoes battery. Okay, so as like that, all my dear girls, you have to draw the potatoes. Chalo, as like that, you have to draw the potatoes. Okay, and then you put the electrodes. Got my points, and you have to join it with that rods. And you put the electric. You put the here digital clock here. Okay, so start drawing all my dear students as like that. Understood now? Chalo. Chalo, all my dear students, we have to draw with the help of pencil. Do it fast, all of you.
Sir, done Inshia.
What?
Sir, we have to draw the circle, no?
Yes, circle, not a proper circle. You have to draw the shape of the potato. See, as like that. The shape of irregular shape of the potatoes. So it's not a proper circle. ये यहाँ पर दो potatoes है बेटा उसके shape कैसे है? Not it's like that potatoes.
Sir, done.
ये done girls.
Yes, sir, done. Done.
Yes, sir, done.
Done all my dear students. The starchy juice. Potatoes में कौन सा juice होता है? In potatoes, a starchy juice is over there. पोटैटो में कौन सा जूस होता है बेटा? जूस ओके, जो व्हाइट कलर का जो होता है वो जूस, इट्स कॉल्ड अ स्टार्ची जूस. इनसाइड द पोटैटोज आर द व्हाट मेक द पोटैटोज बैटरी. ओके, वो स्टार्ची जूस है वो पोटैटोज को एज अ लाइक एज अ वर्क करवाएगा बैटरी की तरह. ओके, चलो. हाँ बेटा. your voice is breaking. Who is going to be speak over there? Beta, your voice is breaking.
Sir, done.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good. हाँ बेटा.
My work is done, Muskan.
Sir,
Yes,
done.
Muskan. Very good, Inshia.
My work is
Sir,
done.
I'm done, Kadri Zoha.
Sir,
Sir,
done.
my work
Sir,
is
my
done.
work is finished. Aljina.
Sir, my work is
Yes,
finished.
Aljina.
Maria Fatima.
Sultan Misbah.
Chalo, done. So now we will going to be move on. Material
Excuse me, sir.
required. Yes, Farhana, Fareen. Who is that?
सर हमको पोटैटो ड्रॉ नहीं करना है ना.
करना है बेटा. You have to do it potato. See, मैंने यहाँ
ओके
पर ड्रॉ
सर.
तो किए हुआ है. See it properly.
ओके सर.
चलो, बाकी है तो जल्दी से कंप्लीट करो बेटा. We have to move on other further.
सर हो गया.
Very good. Chalo, now which material required during the practical? During this practical. Okay, means कौन से practical हमें चाहिए? So note down this material. चलो. So done.
My work is done, Muskan.
Chalo Muskan,
No,
very
sir.
good.
1 minute. Sir,
Thank you,
one.
Do
and
it
Kadri
fast,
Zoha.
beta. Yes, do it fast. All of you, I'm waiting here. Two fresh potato we want. Zinc electrodes we want. Copper electrodes we want. Alligator clips and digital cloths. These all materials we are required during this practical.
सर आपने रिकॉर्डिंग जो हुआ है
Sir, sir.
Yes, beta. Now do
Alli-
it. We will.
Alligator. Alligator clip. What means?
एलिगेटर इट्स द नेम ऑफ टू पिंस एलिगेटर जैसी एक बड़ी सी पिन आती है ओके
Okay. Okay, sir.
एलिगेटर जैसे शेप नॉट अ एलिगेटर शेप एलिगेटर का माउथ कैसा हो क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ टीथ
हाँ हाँ.
स्ट्रक्चर जैसी पिन आती है दैट्स लाइक वी कॉल द एलिगेटर क्लिप एंड दिस इलेक्ट्रिकल
Okay.
पिन
Okay, sir.
ओके चलो
Sir, my work is finished.
okay done now we will going to be move on for the procedure note down this procedure okay who will going to be read the first point of the
Sir, me,
procedure
Sir,
Mirarka.
can I Kadri Zoha?
सर
Muskan
yes
Ramchandra.
Zoha you have to read the first point all my dear girls your turn will become mute your mic now yes Zoha you have to read the first point
Okay, sir. Procedure number one: insert zinc and copper electrodes into the potatoes.
very good. Insert the zinc and copper electrodes into the zinc. What is the meaning of electrodes? Electrode means what? Simple जैसे rods आते हैं जो simple जैसे rod आते हैं वैसे rod आते हैं but उसका layer zinc का होता है that's why we call the zinc electrodes. ओके अदरवाइज कॉपर का जो पूरा rods आता है उसका पूरा कॉपर का लेयर्स होता है that's why we called a copper layers. Understood all my dear girls? Okay.
Yes,
यस
sir.
Now
Yes,
Muskan, you
sir.
have to read the
Yes.
second point.
Yes, sir. Second point: use alligator clips to connect electrodes to the digital clock.
Yes, okay. So what is the second point? Use alligator clips to connect electrodes to the digital clock. Means जो alligator जैसी clip है we have to use to uh, connect electrodes to the digital clock. Means वो pin है alligator pin हमें use करने हैं to attach with each other the alligator pins connect with the electrodes and the digital clock. Digital clock के साथ हमें electrodes attach करने हैं. Got my points? Now, third
I
point
want
is
to read
what?
it.
I want
Yes,
to
beta
read
Inshia.
Khali.
Yes, Inshia, beta you have to read it. Inshia.
यस
Rosen, Inshia, beta you have to read it. The third point. Start.
Now you can see the current passing through the wires and activating the digital clock.
Very good. What is the third point? Now you can see the current passing through the wires and activating the digital clock. Okay, now you can see the current passing through the wires and activating the digital clock. So what we have to do potatoes में से वो क्या होगा current pass होगा with the wires and the activating the digital clock and digital clocks. Okay, digital clock આના પછીનો થઈ જાઓ. Uh, what all my dear students okay that potatoes is going to be as a work as
सर
the battery वो बैटरी की तरह वर्क करने वाला है okay now the observation then after how to prepare that experiment okay
सर
who
एक
will
मिनट वो
going to be
रखो
read
मेरा एक ही बाकी है मेरा लास्ट
चलो
थोड़ा ही बाकी है
चलो चलो जल्दी बेटा कंप्लीट करो we have to
यस
move
सर
further
सर मेरा भी बाकी है.
जल्दी बेटा कंप्लीट करो चलो सब लोग
सर माय वर्क इज डन
yes बेटा
Sir, my work is done. Sir, my work is
Sir,
done.
all student work was done.
Earlier, earlier હવે માસી પછી પાછું તમારી જવાબદારી લેતા આવવાનું. હું આપું. અને કેજો કે આપણું નથી બીજાનું છે. ઓકે.
Sir,
યસ બેટા કન્ટિન્યુ.
you can do next page.
મારો થર્ડ લેક્ચર છે.
Sir,
Okay, so now beta done. Now we will going to be move on further observation. Okay, so now that the observation, all my dear students, what is the observation? You can use the digital multimeter. What you have to use, my dear students? Digital multimeter is the name of the one machine. Okay, it's the name of the one machine, digital multimeter, to measure the voltage. क्या होगा वो voltage measure के लिए होगा of the current flow from the potato. मीन्स पोटेटोज में से कितने अमाउंट में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आती है, हाउ वी कैन मेजर इट, हम लोग वो कैसे मेजर कर सकते हैं. सो फॉर दैट मेजरिंग पार्ट वी हैव टू यूज हियर द multimeter. Okay, and it will be helpful the counting the voltage. On an average, a digital multimeter shows a 1.2 volts of this electricity between the electrodes. During these experiments, the result varies. It's recommended to measure for the 8 or at least 5 times and get the result. ओके, सो हम लोग वैसे 5 टाइम्स एटलीस्ट 5 टाइम्स हमें वोल्टेज चेक करना है एंड देन वी गेट द प्रॉपर रिजल्ट. नोट डाउन दिस ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑल ऑफ यू, डू फास्ट. चलो ऑब्जर्वेशन लिखो. डन ऑल माय डियर गर्ल्स?
no, sir.
चलो बेटा, डू इट फास्ट ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. चलो बेटा जल्दी से स्टार्ट करो.
Sir, done, Kadri,
Sir, my work is finished, Mira Arpa.
My work is finished, Muskan. Iman Fatima. No, sir, 2 minutes.
चलो बेटा, डन ऑल ऑफ यू. So we have to
Yes,
move on further because
yes,
of lecture
sir.
is getting over here.
No, sir, 2 minutes.
Do fast. Alina Khulia beta. Observation, you can. Okay, who will going to be read the observation? Yes, Inshia. Rojan
Sir,
beta, you
can
have
I
to read
Mira
this.
Arpa?
Yes, yes, Inshia.
Can I read in here?
Yes, Inshia beta, you can continue. Start the reading,
Okay, sir.
Inshia.
Observation. You can use a digital
Speak
multimeter.
loudly. Speak loudly.
You you can use a digital multimeter to measure the voltage of the current flow from the potatoes. On average, a digital multimeter shows 1.2 volts of electricity between the electrodes. During this experiment, the result varies. It is recommended to measure for at least 5 times and get the result.
Very good. Chalo. Okay, done all of you. So now let's check the video.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See. चलो चलो properly video देखना है. Potato batteries. See what you have to take it. You have to take it the first two potatoes. Okay, you have to take the first two potatoes. Chopping board. Chopping means board means what? जो wooden boards आते हैं वो हमें compulsory वही लेना है. See, taste leads. No need to take as like that. We are going to be use the different things also. चलो ये practical समय देखना है. And you have to make it this practical properly. Check it. चलो देखो. चलो this wood we have to compulsory we have to use during this experiment.
Very bad. What?
चलो and we have to take the iron screw. Iron screw हमें लेने हैं. Okay, compulsory we have to take here the iron screw. And we have to insert that iron screw. See, that is a very easy for you, all of you. So you have to make it properly. आया सबको समझ में? As like that, you have to stick the glue. Sorry, attach with the wire with the help of glue. Okay, and that wire, copper wire, you have to attach with join with the that screw. Get my points, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so as like that, all my dear students, what you have to do is like that, you have to prepare the potato battery experiment. Okay, so how many girls going to be prepared that experiment?
Muskan,
Yeah.
Sir, मैं गाजरी
What?
Muskan
Okay,
also
I will prepare
prepared.
I will be send that video